Aladdin is an original musical that opened on stage on December the 7th, 2012 at the National Music Theatre in Sofia, Bulgaria. Since then, it has been a huge success and commanded a packed house for each performance, not only because of the magnificent cast of the production. The leading parts are played by some of the most popular and beloved Bulgarian pop stars, but also because of the fascinating music and the powerful poetic messages, backed by spectacular staging and innovative directing.
Здравейте, аз съм Марио Балтаджиев, композитор и продуцент на мюзикъл Аладин. Днес ще ви заведа в вълшебния свят на приказките на Шехерезада. Ще влезем в гримьорните, ще видим какво се случва в същността на този спектакъл.
The reviews of leading Bulgarian media defined Aladdin as the theatrical event of the season. And when you see this musical, you'll know why.
Мюзикъл Аладин се играе в музикалния театър, който е може би най-голямата сцена за мюзикали и театрални постановки, оперетни имам предвид, на Балканския полуостров. Залата му е 800 места приблизително, което го прави наистина впечатляваща зала и изключителна арена на забавление.
Although it is based on one of the oldest stories in the world, Aladdin presents a new, contemporary, and emotional interpretation on the issues of freedom, friendship, and love. Aladdin is the story of a man fighting for his own happiness, a man that learns not to rely on magic for achieving his goals, but to search and find the true magic within himself. Because the genie doesn't just live in a magic lamp. A genie dwells in every heart. The secret is that this genie becomes magical only when someone rubs and touches your soul. Aladdin is a unique fusion of entertainment in its purest form and more intimate and mysteriously whispered revelations about what is truly magical and truly valuable in life.
За мюзикъл Аладин реших да използвам целия оркестър на музикалния театър. Това са 35 човека. Поръчахме допълнително синтезатори, допълнително ударни, конги, за да добием този ориенталски звук, включително и саз. Оригинален турски саз също свири. 2 часа музика на живо, 35 музиканти. Усещането е фантастично.
The messages are clear, and they live and breathe organically within the music. They do not just touch, they prevail. Aladdin is a spectacle suitable for all ages. The musical is loved both by children who are passionate about adventure, but also by their parents who become excited by the depth of the performance and the emotions. When you sit in the audience, Aladdin will grant you 3 wishes: to believe, to fly, and to love.
Не